Let's start. The project name is Get Text from Edit Text. Let's see the project structure. In the app level Gradle file, add this plugin. Here, we have the main activity. And, in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. We have an edit text with enter name as a hint. Then, we have a button. Let's see the code. Here, we have a constraint layout as the root layout. This is the edit text. And, this is the button. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity that extends app.compat activity. Inside the onCreate function, on the button click event, first we retrieve the text from the edit text and store it in a string variable, name. Then, we show a toast and display that string. Let's run the app. As you can see, I have written it.wala in the edit text, and when I click the button, the same text can be seen in the toast. So, that's it. That's how you can get a text from an edit text in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.